Today, I'll show you how to save a trip on Expedia so you can quickly find it later without having to search all over again. This is especially helpful if you're comparing different options or planning a trip over several days and don't want to lose something you liked. First, open Expedia in your browser or use the Expedia app on your phone or tablet and make sure you're signed into your account. Saving a trip only really works if you're logged in, because that's how Expedia keeps track of what you've saved across devices. If you're not sure, just look for a sign in or account button at the top of the page or in the app's menu. Once you're signed in, start by searching for what you need. You can search for hotels, flights, or even a package that combines both. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of travelers, then run the search. Expedia will show you a list of available options that match what you entered. Now scroll through the results and take your time looking at the different choices. Maybe you're comparing hotel neighborhoods or trying to decide between a couple of flight times. When you find an option you like and want to remember, look for the save button or the little heart icon next to it. This heart or save icon is usually near the hotel name, price, or on the flight option itself. Click or tap that save or heart icon. When you do, Expedia will add that hotel, flight, or trip option to your account. You might see the heart fill in, change color, or get a small confirmation message letting you know it's been saved. You don't have to book it right away. Saving it just marks it as something you want to come back to later. You can repeat this for as many options as you like. For example, you might save 3 different hotels in the same city so you can compare them later, or a couple of flights at different times of day. Saving is a great way to narrow things down without keeping a bunch of tabs open in your browser. Once you've saved a few options, you'll probably want to know where to find them. To get back to your saved items, go to your account area. On the website, look for something labeled My Trips or Save Trips, usually at the top of the page. In the app, you'll find a similar section, often in the bottom menu or under your profile icon. Open My Trips or Save Trips, and you'll see the hotels, flights, or trip ideas you've saved. From here, you can open each one to review the details, compare prices and dates, or remove anything you're no longer considering. When you're ready, you can go straight from your saved items to the booking page without having to run a new search. That's all there is to it. By searching first, then using the save or heart icon on the options you like, and finally revisiting them in your My Trips or Save Trips section, you can keep your travel planning organized and easy to manage on Expedia.